Hello, if you are new to the hobby, you may come across some terminology that you are not familiar with. So in this video, I would like to explain a few basic terms. Let's start with classification. So we have genus, genus of Mammillaria, Crassula, or Astrophytum. Within the genus, we've got then species. For example, Astrophytum asteris or Capricorn. And then it's variety, like in this photo. So to sum up, we've got genus of Gymnocalcium, species Uruguayanis, and variety Rosiform. We have as well CV or cultivar, which means that plant comes about in cultivation rather than in the wild. And then we have hybrids. So hybrid is a plant which is the result of cross between different species, and in the name you will see X. Plants are hybridized for all sorts of reasons, one of them being to produce beautiful flowers. Let's have a look now at the different forms of mutations. The first one is crested or cristata. So you can see that it results when the growing point of plant forms a long line and there's a nice symmetry. In contrast, we've got monstrose, which is again abnormal irregular stem growth, which is distorted and wild, there's no geometry. I'm sure you have heard about variegation, or the plant is variegated, which means that there is a mutation appearing as stripes or whole section of leaves is without chlorophyll, which makes this plant very attractive and sought after, and they are now very popular. This coating of wax, which you may see especially on succulents like Echeveria, Spachiphytum or Graptoveria, is called farina and rubs off easily, so be careful when handling the plant. It prevents the plant from absorbing too much water, and at the same time it helps keep moisture within the plant. Also, it can help protect the plant from burns. Some plants are monocarpic, meaning that after flowering, producing offsets and seeds, the plant will die off. So you have here one example, and others are Hansenchicks or Semperveriums, some Ioniums and Agavas. And the last but not least, grafting. So this is a technique where two plants are bound together and grow as one. So, for instance, it's used to save a plant when it's damaged or rotten, or like, for instance, in the case of moon cactus, where this colorful part wouldn't be able to live on its own because it doesn't have chlorophyll.